Introducing Keystone's XFit backlit panel lights, the next generation of panel lights. Our backlit panels are 30% lighter than edge-lit panels and have a depth of just over an inch. They also feature 4 knockouts for enhanced wiring flexibility, providing easy installation in offices, classrooms, and other commercial spaces. You'll appreciate their instant versatility with power select and color select switches that allow you to quickly select between 3 lumen outputs and color temperatures. This versatile feature, available in select models only, enables distributors to stock less SKUs. Our backlit panels are 50% more energy efficient than fluorescent troffers and use a high-quality Keystone driver, offering dependable long-term operation, smooth 0 to 10 volt dimming, and a low flicker performance for ideal visual comfort, all within a housing that includes a built-in junction box. A precise optical lens made of PMMA covering each LED chip is positioned at an ideal distance from the chips, which provides even light distribution and eliminates the risk of yellowing over the lifetime of the fixture. Keystone backlit panels are available in 3 categories: DLC Standard, DLC Premium, and DLC Standard with Color Select and Power Select. Each category offers lumen output options ranging from 2100 to 5500 lumens, 2x2, 2x4, and 1x4 form factors, and a choice between 3500, 4000, and 5000 kelvins. Offering 50,000 lifetime hours and a 5-year warranty, Keystone's XFit backlit panels give you maximum savings, versatility, and optimal performance. That's light made easy.
Keystone Technologies. Light made easy.